Albert. Today in class we're going to be working on identifying the numbers 1 to 10 in number, word and picture form. So we'll just go through our whats and our wills, and I want you to say it as I point to it.
I am learning to identify numbers 1 to 10 in different forms.
And Will, by the end of the lesson you should be able to identify numbers 1 to 10 in different forms. Do you understand what we're doing today?
Yes.
Yeah? Alright, so I've done up a graph and you all have pens. So I'm going to get you to come up one by one and you're going to fill in a row with the number, so like these ones, and then the word. Okay? So do you want to go first?
Anyone?
Yeah, you can pick any row.
I was looking at the time and I was like, I've like done this way too quick.
Alright. Next one.
Do you want to read
I remember I was sitting there doing a lot of talking.
And I was like,
I just thought the group activity a lot longer.
yeah.
And now we're just going to do the rest together. And what numeral go for now? 1. So it's just a straight line. And what word? How do we spell it? No, this one's a tricky one. So what other sound do you make the word for? O. O? Yeah. And what's the next letter?
N. Yeah, I think they just addition and subtraction.
Yeah. And the number for 2? Who wants to have a go at writing the 2 on the board for me? Yeah?
You guys are real.
And how many dots do I need to draw?
2. 1, 2. You will be.
And how do I write the word for?
You will be.
Still sound it out. It's a tricky one, so what can make like the sound? U. Yeah? U and then R. And how many dots? 4, 4, and 6. How do we do the 6? Draw it in the air? Yeah.
As long as it's at least 8.
Then we'll do 6 dots. We're up to 9. How do we draw the 9? It's an upside down 6. Who wants to have a go at writing the name of the word? Yeah? And we don't forget to dot our I's. And 10, how do we write 10? T, E, N. And who wants to draw the dots? Yeah?
You will be. You will be.
Did we miss one? How many has she put on the board? Everybody count? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
and how many do we need to get to 10? One more? So okay, we're all still learning. So does this make sense to everybody? Does anybody have any questions? No? So we're going to play a little game called Snap. So I've made the cards special. So they all have either the number, the word, or the picture on them. Okay, so I want you to break into pairs of 2. I'll give you guys these cards. And then I'll give you guys these cards. Alright, so the rules of the games are you have a stack of cards each. One person at a time draws. You have half the deck. So just give them half to each other. And so you can't see the card before you put it down. So as you pull it out, can I just show them? So you'll have it like this, and then you'll go like that. And whoever has, then the next person does it. Would you like to do the next one? And if they're like this, is this the same number? No, so it's not a snap. So to get a snap, they have to be the same number or the same word. Yeah? Does that make sense to everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to play? Is that a snap? Yeah, so then you get to take the cards. Remember to pay attention when the picture ones come. Yeah? Did you get a snap? What numbers do you have?
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, that's
It's
yours.
10, so now she gets the cards because you accidentally snapped. Has anyone won any yet? No?
Count.
Did you snap right?
Yes. I had to count them first.
Yeah, we'll see. That's why you got to make sure that you're right. You out of cards over here.
Yep, so I'm just keeping an eye out.
Keeping an eye out. You get them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No, not quite.
Can you all remember how yesterday
Keep trying.
some sharing?
Make sure to count before you snap them.
Okay. So, what were the key math words that we used yesterday that we can remember? Anyone remember? It was sharing, group, and even. There's some buzzwords we could use. So today we're
Snap.
Good job, guys. So I'm going to give you guys a little extension. So what you're going to do is instead of snapping the same number, you're going to snap one above or below the number.
now let's
Does that make sense? So if we had a 6, what number could I snap with a 6?
7 or 5.
Yes. Okay.
So I have 10 dollars over here.
There you go, guys. Try again.
Thank you.
And one way we can make sure that all of these happen is by starting with just placing one in each bag at a time.
Good job.
And then you can keep going through to add one to each bag, and that's how you ensure you go to the Okay.
You go first.
Before we start though, I'd like to go through our lot now.
No,
So today,
no, it doesn't matter.
today we're learning
You counting them? Making sure they're right? You missed one.
Yep.
Make sure you're paying attention. Okay, guys, we'll pack this one up now. And we'll come back over to our waltz and our wills. We'll come back. So after playing that game and doing this on the board, can we identify numbers 1 to 10 in different forms?
Yes.
Yes?
We like to share
Good job, guys. Next lesson, I think we'll play the extended version that these guys played again, and then we'll move on to numbers from 1 to 20.
I have 5 friends.